Alright guys, we're about to start our journey in the green Prius. We got the bocce ball set, so you know we're all ready to go.
Oh yeah, bocce ball.
Alright boys, we're about to head off. Alright boys, ready for camping. Let's go.
Camping day one, let's go boys.
Okay, vlog.
Dude, the cap is off of this one. I don't know where the cap is. It's fucked though.
Alright, so we're having some car troubles right now.
Cap's off this one too.
But it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
I need some water. Thirsty as fuck.
Gooseberries wait for it.
What? Oh my god, Ian, clean. Okay. It's pretty good. Okay. Let's go, boys.
That's garbage.
Yes! In for three.
Alright, broke the
Jokes.
par.
Ooh! Beast throw by bro. Not even gonna lie, that's a good one. Alright. Oh, Randy even better. But... Oh, don't go the other way. Go the other way. Alright, boys. We up here. We up here. Look at this
show 'em the
crazy view. Look at the view.
Look at the view.
Look at the views, boys. That's something insane. I kind of miss that. Oh shit. Alright, boys, we got the chocolate, we got the
stuff,
we got
we're
the
getting
grams,
stuff
we got the
ready for
buns
camping.
and shit. We already got the.
Alright, update. We're back at our campsite. Actually, we just got here. We're not back. But
We got the tent set up. We got the fire
set
going.
up.
We forgot the ketchup.
We forgot the ketchup for our
Ian's not
hot dogs, but you know,
we're cooking them up though. We got some buns.
we're about
and
to get
stuff.
our food
Where
started.
the buns at? We gotta find the buns.
Can we go in town or something?
No.
Next update, we're gonna be eating food.
Is for a dog to fit on? Which way should I go this way?
Ian, talk to your mom. Be nice.
Sticking on a dog, boys. Oh shit.
Alright,
Poke
boys,
myself.
we're eating. We're out of
Eating
here.
fresh. Got buns.
I got the burnt marshmallow. Liam's about to whip us out. Nice
Gotta
little
cook,
hot
cook,
dog.
cook, cook, cook.
You know how it be in this camp life. Vlog update. First hot dog was a fail, but you know Liam.
I got a good
Liam
one
bounced
going
back and
though.
got a good
Yeah.
one. We're good. We eating good shit. We eating good. What you gotta say, bro?
Bro, we're going up. That's the fucking thing. Yeah, look at that. My stick is in this though.
What time? Cooking. I made the fire too hot with the wood, so I put a bagel right on there because can't put the grill up in there.
Oh, I thought you said I made it fire too hot.
Let's see how this is cooking. Kind of got smoky because the fire's not working, but it's getting there. A little bit crisp on the sides. You can see it. Look at that. If I blow this up, beautiful. Not quite. Didn't quite turn on, but.
Blowing that shit all over.
You got anything to say? Oh, then.
Ready to
Yeah. We're about to clean up the campsite, take down the tent, and then we gotta fucking
my
leave.
ankle's hurting me again. I'm gonna have
Yeah.
a lounge joke.
And Ian's complaining again. Quick update. We're taking down the tent.
Where the hell is bro?
Bro is out of here. We got everything cleaned out pretty much except my rain jacket. We about to take it down. Got the rain tarp off already.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. Yeah.
What's up, vlog?
Update.
Just about to leave. We cleaned up everything. Everything is packed up.
Just put up the fire. It's pretty well put out,
Hey, you know.
tent spot over there. All dry as you can see. It rained last night, but you know, the tarp kept it dry. Got everything packed up in the car, in the Prius. We ready to go. Ian's trying to make jokes.
Next stop, we're gonna be either hiking
He's trying to zoom in.
or
Don't worry.
doing something outside.
Yeah, we're gonna be
I
hiking.
think we're gonna
hiking,
stop. We're gonna
or
look at the falls
going
here
falls,
and then go to
or
Split Rock.
maybe more disc golfing. Well, I think
We'll
we
see.
should, but
Yeah,
We'll
probably
see.
in Duluth or something.
our vlog.
What's up?
About to leave for the next spot.
Yeah.
We got everything backed up. I would flip camera, but can't do that, I guess. So we got
stop.
everything
crossing
cleaned
the
up.
border.
We good. Here we go.
Lakeshore. Looks pretty. Liam out here.
I'm
Really cold.
I'm not even that cold, you know.
You just said you almost got
Good news.
hypothermia
I
on.
did in the water, but now they're out of the water.
Hey, Randy, what?
Look at that. That's real life right there. We're experiencing it now. Wow. And that's the Alex period behind. You can't really see it because the lighting's not that good. But we're out here. I vlog.
Check out this view.
We found a view. That's insane. Yeah, I vlog. We're at the falls. It's really, really loud. Randy's trying to jump in, I think. Here they are. Dang. That's nice.
Oh, guys,
We
I
lost
have a
Bro.
dilemma. There has been a conflict.
Something
We
happened.
lost Ian Bro.
Ian, bro.
We don't know where
He's
he
gone.
is.
We're still at the falls. He just went somewhere up north. He went up some other fall. And then we tried to follow him, but we lost him. So we'll give you an update when we find him.
Ian Bro.
We found bro. He's hiding. A wild bro appears. We'll probably have to stop for dinner.
Okay. Just tossing the loot. Beautiful music, beautiful people.
We met a biker.
We met a biker. You know how it is.
Alright, we're vlog. We're out of the lighthouse.
You know how to be.
Duluth.
This disc in the lake.
Back at Duluth.
See how far I
It's
get
kinda
from
long.
Liam's desk.
I'm not gonna touch my dick. Nice views all the way around. Nice views.
I can throw it all the way there.
No.
That's
Looking
be
at
a
the
lot
lake.
farther than
A vlog.
We're at Toby's.
We both did the hair thing. Oh my god, we're at Toby's. We're just stopping. You know, Randy getting his hair too. Yeah. I'm gonna get a pastry. We're gonna stop
because the
somewhere
car
else.
broke down.
Okay, shh.
So what
All
are we
right.
doing now?
We're gonna stop at Toby's. Ooh, creaming. Smack. Alright, vlog. We got home. We're at my house.
Okay, setting up the tent so it can dry out.
Yeah, we gotta drive the tent.
Where is this one?
This one.
The tarp is right over there because it got kind of wet last night. It's a high pole getting stuck in the tree. You know how it be. All right, tent set up.
Vintage futuristic tent. Shout out Signe Peterson.
Okay, that's going in the vlog.
We
Anyway,
have to be at there at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
we're gonna be there 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Dude, I know it's so early.
We're chilling. We're getting pizza in a few minutes.
Y'all want to go disc golfing tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Ian's the only one that wants to go disc golfing tomorrow morning.
Ian's the only one who cares about disc golfing, and let me tell you that disc golfing is fun like the first time.
You heard it here first. It's
Just-
fun the first
Just
time.
because you didn't get -1.